Fast cycle times are essential, especially for motion applications. Imagine an XY table and you try to create a circle. Basically, all new target positions you can imagine as a dot on the circle. And the closer the dot, the rounder, or let's say the smoother the circle will become. Imagine now not only 2 axes, but 10, 20, 50 axes, doing all synchronized movements. Similarly, also that movement will be smoother, improving your quality. And not to forget, if the motion needs to do some corrections or receiving new commands, having the points closer together again improves your quality. Contact us today and learn how the MX controller and our factory automation ecosystem can help you build the future.